Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, UK's leading installers of Starline security. Today we've protected this 2022 Audi R8 with a Starline Pro immobiliser with anti-hijack. So as standard with the immobilisers, obviously if someone clones the key, hops in, tries to steal the vehicle, hops the key, copies the key, steals the key, hops in, starts it, try to drive off, you see it switches off. There we go. So what the customer will need to do to start this vehicle is pass authorization. This can be done using factory buttons between 3 and 21 presses, and the way they do it, start the vehicle up, pop their code in, hear a disarm tone, and now the vehicle can be driven. So once again, we're in the R8 with a Starline i96 Pro. And the way the anti-hijack works, if the customer pulled up at a set of lights, someone decided they want to steal the vehicle, so they open the door, drag the customer out, the thief gets in and attempt to drive the car away. What will happen is it will start to count down. As you can hear, Starline starts to count down to warn the customer to put the code in. If they pop the code in, it will stop counting down, but if they don't pop the code in, it will count down and then disable the vehicle, cut it out. There we go. So at this point, the thief's stolen the vehicle, driven off with it, it hasn't seen the customer's code, and it's cut out and come to a standstill. When the customer finds the vehicle and they get it back, they obviously want to be able to drive it home. So ignition on without your foot on the brake. Disarm the system with their code. Like I said, this can be anything they choose between 3 and 21. Hear their disarm tone. Now ignition off. Back on. Melody, foot on the brake. We can start the vehicle. And it drives. And it won't count down. If you want to get one of these installed, we're Immobiliser Fit. This is the Starline Pro anti-hijack system immobiliser, and we've installed this on a brand new 2022 Audi R8 with just 250 miles. Way to put one of these in is give us a call on 0208 212 7393 and we'll protect your vehicle. Thanks for watching.